coffee.
Yeah.
Just coffee that's what this one.
Yeah. So looking at the weekly, we're rejecting some strong resistance. Weekly candle open bearish. Dive down to the daily. Clear resistance was made. Right up over here. Price is coming down. Look at the 4-hour. Gold. Gold 4-hour is breaking down, but it's kind of in a range. So, see what we got going on here. See what we got going on. Yo. In this 1-hour range. Yeah.
Can't you sleep so late?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to stop playing.
I just couldn't like. I mean, it's not that I couldn't sleep because probably if I would have tried it, could have gone to sleep. But I like I feel like I have like energy. I was watching the chart like at 3:30 before it broke up. I like my zones drawn up, right? Since it didn't break out like at 3:30, sleep.
Oh, gold just melted. Holy shit. Ooh, gold just fucking melted, bro. Jesus. That pre-NY. Jeez. This candle getting hard. 50 pips. God damn. And the immediate rejection. Crazy.
Yo, good morning, everybody.
I haven't even finished setting up the chart and this thing wants to break out already.
Since I was on last night, I basically I drew the zones.
Hold up, I barely hear you. I gotta lower this lo-fi thing.
My boy jamming.
Makes sense on the 30-minute. Price made a new resistance. Pre-NY volume kicked in. Candle retested, broke the low. Gotta wait for a continuation. I'm only looking for sells today. I'm not looking for buys unless we break above here, above 1967 500. There's like a nice 50 pip range up to the next rejection area, 49, 46, 47. And then can't take a sell now, so it's gonna have to come down, make a new resistance, make a new low. So now we wait, Drake. Should I? Damn, bro. I want to start like.
You wanna start what?
Like I need to learn how to start the stream. I need to learn how to start the stream, but like with everything like running already, like the music, the everything's already like going. Like I like start the stream and it's just like me on the screen for like the first like 15 minutes. So
I mean, usually you just start it and just press share screen, huh? Share screen, record, live stream, and cue the music.
yeah, imagine you have to like edit the descriptions and all that stuff. Like I started the stream, then I did all that. Well,
Just
whatever.
leave a template, right? Not a template, but where you gotta type in type it like typed in. Well, yeah, basically copy and paste it and like notes or whatever.
I record the video or no?
Yeah.
But because the thing is, it's gonna be on their live videos anyway, no? Or should I record it anyway? To post it like as a upload.
That's just one thing.
Alright, I guess I'll record it. So this is what we got going on for gold. The bigger time frames are all really bearish. Look, the weekly candle has hit resistances, huge wick rejections on the top side. Looking at the 4 hour, we're breaking below this range, so only looking for sells. The 30-minute time frame, when we zoom in, we've broken below support, so price should continue moving down, but this previous candle left a wick of rejection, which, you know, getting in a trade here, price could reject and come back up. It's not a safe entry. So right now, what I'm waiting for is for price to make a new support, come down, reject, make a new support, go back up, and then make a new low. So what I'm looking for is something like this. You know, price comes down, whatever. So it comes down, makes a new support, comes back up, makes a new resistance, and we make a new low. That's what I'm looking for. Because if we get in here, we're entering at the bottom of a move, and price could just turn around, hop back in the range, maybe go up for buys. The only way I'll look for a buy is if we break above this zone right here, because it's a clear resistance here, and there's clean traffic going up to around here. It's around 50 pips of range too. So that's good range. So now we wait. So you gotta be really patient with these moves because, you know, somebody sees this candle, for example, happening, it's coming down, it's coming down. They panic sell. They get into the trade before the candle closes, and what does it do? Price rejects from here and closes back up here. So you say you get in over here, and then now that you didn't wait for the candle to close, you go and draw down, and you're minus 45 pips. Bye-bye bank account. And then they want to get back in on this next candle. And what does this candle do? Comes down, rejects. So, you know, gotta wait for the right time.
So here's the next move. This is still pre-New York 7:30.
This essentially is a missed move right here, you know, so gotta wait for what I said, make a price for mega support, come back up, make a new resistance, and then we make a new low. That's the only way you take, I would take a sell here. Although there's some good clean traffic to the left here, if you look on the 15-minute, to about right here, we have like a support over here, so price could keep coming down to 1952, and then below that we have another clean range coming down. If you're wondering what clean range means, is where candles moved like solid without a lot of wicks being left. You know, for example, like price moved really hard through these candles because they moved cleanly, and it was pre-New York where a lot of volume comes in. But for example, like this right here, this this is not clean right here. This right here, that's not clean. These candles right here, I wouldn't take a trade if that's the recent traffic because it's just gonna reject. All these wicks means it's rejecting, So compare this area over here to this area. You know, candles moved without such tiny bodies and big wicks. That's why we also gotta wait for confirmations. Because if we don't wait for confirmations of like price breaking the zone, then you might get in too early and price could reject and no bueno joint. See, most likely price would come down to this zone that I drew here, 1952. And then it'll probably reject, make a new resistance, breaking this zone, and then we could take a sell coming down to the next one. So that's one way it could happen. It could just rip through all that, but that wouldn't be a safe entry. A safe entry. Ooh, the 5 minute here could come
Yeah,
down.
5 minute. Yep.
Yeah. I just don't want to get a 5 minute trade so early. But it could definitely work. This is what I was talking about. So, you know, price came down, made a low, price came back up, made a support. Price made a new resistance, and the next candle breaking this low should essentially come down. The problem is we're looking at gold, and gold moves really quickly like this on the 5 minute at the New York Open, which is 8 a.m. Right now, it might not be that volatile or it would just go, but if it was 8 a.m., I would take a trade this candle breaking the previous candle's low. For now, I'm just going to be patient because even if it comes down, it'll set up again, breaking the next zone. So the high volume time is definitely much easier. You know, it's no rejection, prices moves. 1 hour broke this low. Yep, it's a little pre-NY move right here. It should come down on the 5 minute, but I'm gonna stay away. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. I'll just watch it. I'm gonna go to the left. See, so normally at 8 a.m., this candle right here, if this was 8 a.m., normally this candle here would have freaking broken this low right here, and you could have seen price continue down to this next support. But since it's too early for that, I learned that long ago, and it could still work out. It's just at 8 a.m., this candle would have just gone boop, like it would have been a super easy move. But gotta be patient because the best time to trade gold is not right now, in my opinion. 8 a.m. is prime time. You know, especially that this candle left such a big wick too. It's just not all those things are not the move at the moment. Bro, do you think that we should just start recording the video and not live streaming it? Because and then like when we pick up traction, then we could just start live streaming it.
Just live stream it all together.
I'm just saying because like for example, since like you know the live like not a lot goes on like while we're trading, you know, we're pretty much just waiting for a right setup. And since we don't have like people to ask us stuff yet, then you know we could just record the entire video and just slam it up there with no edit. That way people could just watch it if they want to, you know. And if we pick up traction, then we can start live. Because I don't see the point of like live streaming at the same time um as recording it, because it's gonna be posted as live anyway.
Mm. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I think live stream is just leave the live stream. Eh?
I feel like you didn't understand what I said.
Like I get you guys. You're saying because we don't have a lot of traction right now. But I mean, I don't know. I like it's
Don't fry your brain with the question.
I don't know.
Bro. This guy, bro.
I don't have a flu guy.
Try to chill with that word guy.
I forgot about that.
Yeah. No, you did. We're gonna get canceled before I even blow up as a damn trader.
Guy, the heartburn I got right now is real.
Who tells you to go to McDonald's and order everything on the menu?
Yeah, that was you. I went to a gas station. Guy.
My boy pulled up and he gave them their phone number. Ah, let me get out 786-348.
Yeah, man.
Look at that rejection, bro. That see, and at the end of the day, what makes you a good trader is this, bro. It's not that you made $1 million. It's like recognizing what is not safe. You know?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what is that, huh? This guy. This guy with that. Beautiful. I love to like have a hunch about something and be right, man. That's just it's not a hunch, you know, it's I've seen it a million times, so the hunch joint. I'm gonna put it up on the socials, the live stream. Yeah. Put it up on your socials. Jared?
Yep.
Are you gonna put it on yours or put it on probability time too?
Well,
Jesus, guy. But you're the worst. Does it look blurry? I feel like my camera's dirty. And I hit it with the window shit. All right, oh. Damn, if we break above these wicks right here, how much range do we have? 30 pips. It's not bad.
we could correct the move.
Need the candle closer. I don't like this area at all now. These wicks that were left here. Oh, look, and it shot up already. Oh boy, gold today's gonna be an interesting cookie. Look at this thing.
Yeah, she's holding.
This thing is wilding right now. Did you post on probability time?
No, I don't know.
Or do I do it?
Do it. Listen to real quick. Damn, bro.
My God, submission. So right now, the only thing I'm looking for is a buy above this zone right here, above 1966, 640. To continue, for price to continue pushing up to the next zone that we have marked here with the yellow line. Other than that, I mean, after this move down, just I don't like this area anymore. I'm gonna look at this range again. I think I'm gonna adjust my zones here. After this rejection, I'm gonna put my zone right there. Oh, that's Aruni.
Okay.
This is the fun part. That we sit and wait drink. Till today, I'm gonna catch 26 pips because 26th birthday. That's hard. No 26 pip back. That's crazy. The patience drink. It's about to be 8 a.m. So did you post or no? Did you post?
No.
This guy. This is like a fucking one-man team over here. Ooh, price is just breaking above hard. 5-minute close with no wick. Yeah, no. Gotta wait for that 5 minute to close. I'm gonna wait on this next 5-minute candle to close, which will be this 15-minute close. If that candle closes bullish above the zone, I'm gonna take buys. Just gotta wait.
Hello. ¿Qué más, bro? Nada, te faltan como 3 minutos. Sí, sabes. Qué
We got
bueno.
price breaking above here.
¿Cómo?
Let's see where this candle closes. If we get this candle closing above this area here, should be money to continue up. Be an easy trade.
¿Cómo le fue ayer?
Okay, but mute yourself, you're gonna be on the phone. Look at this 1 hour rejection. Price came all the way down. The candle flipped. This candle closing bullish. We got clean traffic for the next candle to continue up. No problem. Just gotta wait for it to close. Wait for it to close. Because imagine getting into a trade right now. You think it's gonna shoot up. Where do you put your stop loss? Below this candle? That would be a 60 pip stop. I don't really get into a trade risking more than 15 to 20 pips. So that's what works for me. You know, other people do it different. Because if this candle closes, right, and the next candle starts breaking above the high of the previous candle, then I can put stops under that candle, because if price is going to continue up, that candle shouldn't flip, you know? So it's a safe stop. You're not risking as much with a way better position. We just waiting, man. Got 40 seconds to close.
So it'll be at 8 a.m. candle.
Did not close above the zone. But now, since it's pre-New York, don't be surprised if you see the next candle fly up. So volume's coming into the market now. And then the stops are still too big to be, not even that bad. 22 pip stop. if I were to get in on this trade, but I'm still waiting for a close above the zone. Maybe if this 5 minute manages to close bullish above the zone here, I would take a buy. But I need a close above that area. A close over this area would be perfect for me to take a buy. I'd feel very comfortable with that right here on the 5 minute. Because look, price went up, rejected, and now it's building this support right here. This candle manages to close over this resistance. We have a brand new support with confirmation for price to keep moving up. Price could leave before that, but yeah. It's trading's all about taking a safe risk, you know. Something not necessarily safe, but you know, with a higher probability of working out. So let's see. I think that here on the 15-minute, price could break above the previous candle and continue up. But I would much rather wait for the 5 minute. Look, see how the 5 minutes rejecting? So I much rather wait right here for the 5 minute to close over the zone here to continue up. We got 2 minutes for this candle to close here. Look at this 4-hour rejection here. Wow. Massive. 1 hour is setting up bullish as well. That's very clean traffic as well.
Oh, let me get some sparkling water.
You better hurry up because it's 5 minute closes in 50 seconds.
Maybe about an later. Also make a resistance here and the bearish confirmation maybe continue to move down, but
No, I'm not interested in sells at all. Not with that 4-hour rejection. I'm only looking for buys above this zone, me personally. Now that we made a support, if the 50-minute breaks the high of the previous, I'm gonna take a buy. Which stops below the previous 50-minute candle. Got 967 there. So if price comes down now, then price would just be ranging. So, you know, I really don't want to take a trade coming down or anything. I just want to, because the 1 hour is really bullish, close bullish. 4 hour made a huge rejection. And we have clean range breaking up to the upside. So I'll feel really comfortable taking a buy above the zone. That's pretty much all I see today. Price could come down, but you know, at any point it could reject, make a support to retest the high, because that's the most recent move. Look how that 1 hour close. I don't feel comfortable taking a sell into that 1
But it
hour.
could, on the way I see it, that it could also make a resistance and retest lows.
I mean, sure. I mean, if you feel comfortable with that, I'm sure it can work out. I'm gonna stick with the buy idea that I have above this zone.
Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. And,
How's the 30-minute bearish?
30-minute candle is bearish, right?
Guy just opened. This can 30
I'm
minutes.
saying that
super
the current candle is bearish. It hasn't closed.
The thing is, look at this 4 hour. Ugh,
That's rejecting hard.
hard, bro. That's a huge rejection.
But literally what happened the other day. So I mean, it depends where this candle goes. This candle would be a confirmation.
Look, I posted this shit bad and I didn't. I put the link wrong. Yo, can you send me the link of the video?
I got it or no? Got it?
No.
Let me copy it.
I got it.
This guy. Strength come downtown. No confirmation, so this is my idea right now. Maybe the next candle, if this close like this, next candle comes up, leaves a wick up, and breaks the low of the 15-minute. I might just take a sell
Look
to
how
continue the move down.
I'm gonna stick with
And the
the
range
buy.
is still, like 37 pips. That's good, breaking the low.
I don't like these wicks though to the left. I'm just gonna stick to that buy, you know, because it's really the cleanest range.
My bias would change if obviously if we get a bullish close. It's a big chance that they close under the zone. I don't like that wick that I left. like 19 pips.
That's,
There it is.
there's what?
Dog barking.
There's one person watching. Is that you? Or is
Sammy.
very good?
Ah, man.
I want to find a way to create engagement. Like I want people to ask me stuff. I'm gonna make a post today on Instagram. Here we go. Look how the 15 minutes flipping. This 5-minute closing above would be really good to continue up.
This would be a 15-minute close.
You know what? Breaking the high, it might just continue because that's the move. It'd be like an 18 pip stop above the high. Not bad at all. I might just take that if we break above the high.
I mean, this current candle is like 30.
No, but under the body, I wouldn't put it under the wick. I mean,
There's a
'cause
5-minute break in the high.
well, I would either take the 15-minute break in the high right now and put the stops under the body of the candle, because if that candle flips, it's not gonna work out.
Oh, okay. The body of the 15-minute. I was
Yeah.
looking at the 5-minute.
I know. So either that would be a trade, or a 5-minute close, next candle breaking above the 5-minute high. Those are the two things I'm looking for right now.
I would love the 5-minute close. That would make it very appealing to take the trade.
Yeah, I mean, you know, gold doesn't like to be appealing. Gold is
Yeah. Oh, look, flipping it.
just waiting. I'm in no trades right now. Hey, look, the boy Julio commented on the live stream. Lit.
Is it?
Is the boys.
You go hit up Yolano's Delis and the Gables. We gotta slide through.
Oh, he's in Italy right now. The boys in
Over.
Milan. Yo, my boys in the fashion district, doggy. Stop playing. Yo, I love Milan, bro. Milan's a vibe. Fire. Slap me that got breast drink.
Like a president.
Lit.
That boy.
Oh, we got 4 watching right now. Nice. Okay. Have a good day. That 114. Sheesh. The time difference joint.
And like condo.
All right, so
5-minute candle close with no weak go.
right, but that could
Right
be
here, I like
that could
this.
be-
I like
that-
this.
right,
I like
right.
this.
So when a candle closes with no wick, what we've learned is that it means that there's a 50% chance that price could continue in the direction. But it's really like risky. Like if you wanted to take a sell, right? Let's say you were waiting for a bearish close and this is how the candle closed, it'd be risky because that means the candle has no range to continue down, like price is stopped. In a way, it's sort of like a rejection. So this could be a really positive thing because the sells might have exhausted just now, and then now we might make that support we're looking for, closing above this zone to take a buy. Still heavy on the buys idea above this zone. Very attractive. So we get paid to wait. It's gonna be 8:20 at this 5-minute close. We are just waiting. Waiting.
But in the corner of the screen, it's a couple like two trades a day, something like that. Only 2 trades a day.
We got this 5-minute closing in 12 seconds. We would really want to close above this zone order. Still no close.
But I'm in there right now, it's just kind of like ranging.
Just gonna set up for that buy. Hondo Percento. If the 30-minute breaks the high, I'm gonna take a buy. Either that or the 5-minute closing above the zone. It would be 20 pip stop. Yeah, it's just the moment this 1 hour breaks the high, it's the same break as the 30-minute. Candles are just way too clean to not continue, in my opinion. I really like it. Let's see if we break the high. Here we go.
Probably about a push of volume.
I want a clean break. Still no trade.
Rejection.
No trade. We need price to break above this right here. Here it goes, here it goes. I'm in it. Here we are, boys.
There it is.
We're getting ready to take off. I am in a buy right now. So it's an anticipation because price hasn't closed, but we're in a very high volume time. So over time, you learn to catch these moves because sometimes gold just leaves the building. $15 minutes still there. 5 minutes trying to push through. See the 1 hour. 1 hour broke the high, so I think we should be okay. Let's see. I like it. There's volume. Price is moving. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes, my friend. Come on.
The 1 hour screen traffic straight up.
That's why I like the anticipation a lot. There it goes.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's rejecting, but there's a lot of volume. If I go into drawdown minus 10 pips, I'm gonna close half of my position to reduce the amount of loss that I would take. I have a 20 pip stop, so I would cut half my position at 10, so I only lose half of what I'm initially risking. But the trade's running good right now. We're in profit as we speak. It's just this 5 minutes gonna close right now, and the next candle should rocket out of here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Gotta be patient.
This next candle here should, once this next candle starts breaking above the high of the previous, price should start moving up really nicely. Let's see. Wow, the 5 minute did a fat retest.
Close half while you can.
So what?
Close half while you can.
No, I like it. I like it a lot. Beautiful. Once that 5 minute re-breaks the high, should be golden. I'm really
stops below this current 5 minute.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it pretty much is. The body of the candle is it's that 5 minute low. But we should be really good, man. I like the trade a lot. Once the 5 minute turns around, look, it's
Once
about
it
to
breaks the
flip.
previous candle wick, is gone.
Oh yeah, yep. Here we go, my friends. Here we go. Yo, okay, I'll ask you later. 30 minute. We're going by the higher time from here. We're looking for this candle to fill this candle to the left right here. Although there's a lot of rejection going on. For God knows what reason. You know, the old Monday joint.
A couple of weeks around on the smaller time frames.
Right now, we're just waiting for volume to push.
Breaking this current 30 minute wick will probably take off.
It's the same as the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So I think we're in good shape. The 1 hour looks so clean, man. Once that volume pushes.
But it's gonna be a 15-minute close. Nice.
Sick. So right now the trade's running in profit, 4 to 5 pips. So that's really good. That's a good sign that price is going to continue up. Come on, push a little bit more. This might just be a rocketon.
Freaky Monday.
It's rejecting. Come on, baby.
Some wicks
Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Man, here, bro, it's like right at the verge of exploding.
Yeah, it has to break the high. This kind has to break.
But you know what? I'll tell you this much. If I go in drawdown from this point, I'm going to close half immediately because I don't like all this rejection.
Yeah.
See how the 5 minutes the 15 minutes gonna close. I'm cold as hell.
Come on, bud. Let's see, 20 seconds.
It'd be nice if it just pushed up on the next candle. I mean, this 15-minute closing strong like this would be solid.
My money.
There it goes. So now we have confirmation that price should continue moving up. So this next candle could retest, but when we break the high, it's, you know, nothing's guaranteed in the market, but it's a very, very, very high probability will continue up once the next candle breaks above the previous high. Let's see, where can I put the stop for this? 5 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my stop there for now. But once this next candle breaks this high, I'm gonna put stops right here. And I'm gonna have a very small stop at that point, very little risk compared to reward. So For now, we're gonna leave it here. Damn, I really would have thought price would have rolled out by now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close half of my position now, and once price breaks the high, I'll add the position back. Okay, I got stopped out, but I managed it. So I'm still looking for the buy. It's weird that it didn't work out after breaking above here, but you know that's how it is sometimes. So
There's some wicks around the 15-minute
right here to the left, yeah.
to the left, yeah.
So there was it was, you know, slight chance of rejection, but I still like the idea. So if this candle turns around and breaks the high, I'm gonna give it one more chance. The important thing is that I lost less than I was initially risking. So if I could do that consistently over the years, we're gonna be all good. What's weird to me is the 1 hour. The 1 hour, I really like the 1 hour continuing up. But I guess since we didn't have a, that's weird because the 15-minute closed above. So did the 30-minute. It's probably just going for a fat retest, I think.
Could be.
I think that the best thing possible was to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. And I said it
Yeah.
from the start, but when I looked at the 1 hour, it looked so clean to the left that I was like, and I've seen it happen a million times before. Just this time, it, you know, just was one of those times it didn't work out. But if we would have waited for this 15-minute to close right here, we wouldn't even be in a trade yet because we would want to take the trade when the next candle broke the high, which would be easy because right, we'd just be waiting now for the break of the high and for price to continue pushing up. So gotta be patient with the candle close. It's very important, you know, because even on the 5-minute, look, 5-minute close above and the next one didn't break the high. Yep. Got a little bit ahead of myself there, but I mean, it's all good. It could have easily worked out as well. If this candle closes back in the range though, then price is just ranging. So let's see how it closes. This 5 minutes closing in the range. And it's 8:35. We have support here. This move could have been a fake out. We'll see when this 15-minute closes. Because if it closes back in the range, then the buys are invalid. Just gonna wait now at this point. Nothing going on. Oh, price is melting now. Wow. Maybe breaking the wick, it continues down. The wick to the left. Oh, because this to me is now a fake out. Price tried to break above, it failed. Now price is breaking the low. It's very possible as well. If I take a trade there, the 1 hour is flipped. The 4 hour, daily, and weekly are bearish. The 15-minute, it's still rejecting that little area, but I think it could go. I think since I already took a trade and kind of want to play it safe, I'm going to see if this 5-minute gives me a close below the zone. And after that, I'd take a sell coming down to 1958.83. It's good range. It's like 30 pips of range. It's gonna push, bro. Breaking the wick. I like the sell, breaking the wick. I'm in it. I got in a little late, but it kind of pushed really hard when I got in. I should have put a sell stop. That would have been the play. But we're in it, so 1963.65. So price should continue pushing down now that it pushed past these wicks. Price should come down here to the zone that I have marked. Damn, bro, if I would have had a sell stop, I would have caught a beast.
Yeah. Here's the initial idea, bro. The sell joint. It's literally what happened on Friday.
Nah, but this time it was kind of like a fake out because price gave us like a confirmation. It was similar.
Like it would have probably been better to wait for the 15-minute to close and then wait for the break of the high. That would have been like a
Yeah,
little bit
no,
more.
that was the error that we didn't wait for the 15 to close. We would have never considered the buy because it didn't break the high. And then then we would have seen that it was a fake out and recognized the sell 100%. I hate that I got such a late entry too.
Yeah, that's also
Right when I
definitely-
got in, it melted, bro.
The sell stop would have been 22
No,
pictures.
salsa would have been beautiful. Man, but look, price is just ranging, bro. Like now price is rejecting and it's coming back up into the range. That's crazy. Gold's just crazy like today. It's like a lot of
Also, the
rejection.
time. Remember getting close to 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. to like 9 until 9:30. There's not a lot of volume again.
No, there is. It's just like there's been volume. Moves have happened, but just a lot of rejection. Look at that. Rejected, snap back. Crazy. Which is understandable. I mean, the candle didn't close, there's wicks to the left. But definitely the move, the anticipation was there. If I would have had a sell stop right under this candle, would have been 23. Oof, would have been beautiful. You think maybe this is now grabbing liquidity, pushing or breaking above the high?
Right now, candles are just ranging. Need a confirmation for the move, but let's see.
No, but if this candle flips and breaks the high, it's gonna push up for sure. So get that rejection to the downside. And the previous candle broke above the range.
You get taken up.
Yeah, I secured some, but the position got the other half got stopped up.
Cause
Didn't keep running.
let's do trades, man. I'm gonna wait till 9:30 to see if
Yeah, I'm done already. I'm gonna. You want me to keep the live stream on? I was gonna end it. 'Cause I have stuff to do.
well, are you writing out right now? Or
I gotta go take my girl's car. I gotta do a bunch of stuff, bro.
there's anything?
Probably. Let me see if she ended up taking her car or not. So I need to change it.
Hey guys, so it's basically every day it's it's a chance. Obviously today's trade it didn't go our way, but and in the same situation another time, there's always a chance that the move just happens. That's why it's called anticipation. We're anticipating price to go.
Or you took my car.
That's okay.
All right, but. All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up for today. Today was a loss, but tomorrow's another day.
Yeah, as long as you keep You just take 1 or 2 trades a day. You don't know, trade.
Yeah, you can't really
It's
hurt
easy
yourself
to-
too bad. Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy to recover those trades, those losses. Watch a little longer, man. Stay until 9:30. See if
I don't have to
there's
go,
anything.
so I'll stay on because I don't have to. My girl ended up taking her car. And I was supposed to take it to get maintenance. See? 0.75, yeah. I'm gonna end the stream.
Mm.
I was recording.